Alright, let's import a schema file into DataStage. First, you need to locate the file, no treasure hunt required. Next, set up your DataStage job properly. Then tweak the schema file settings to match your data requirements. Finally, validate the whole process, because mistakes love to sneak in when we least expect them. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Schema files are like blueprints for your data. They tell DataStage how the data should be structured, making sure everything flows smoothly. They help maintain consistency across projects and make life easier when transforming data. Without them, we'd be dealing with data chaos. No one wants that. Schema files are here to make our lives easier. They standardize the data format so that everything plays nicely together. A compatibility across different stages is a must. Plus, they help automate the process, cutting down on tedious manual work. So why do it the hard way when a schema file can do the heavy lifting? The schema file format is like a well-organized recipe. It defines the structure, lists the ingredients, data types, and even specifies metadata attributes. And just like cooking, the right delimiters separate everything neatly. No more messy data soup. Imagine manually updating every column in a fast-moving data environment. Sounds exhausting, right? Runtime column propagation takes the grunt work out of schema updates, making your life easier. It's a game changer for efficiency, letting your system adapt dynamically. No more constant troubleshooting, just smooth operations. Think of it as your data pipeline's autopilot. Data integrity is like making sure your coffee order doesn't get mixed up. Nobody wants tea when they ordered espresso. Validating your schema in DataStage ensures a perfect match between your source and target, preventing data disasters. Catching errors early means less panic later. Treat schema validation like a pre-flight checklist. Skip it and you risk a bumpy ride. Troubleshooting is like detective work, except no trench coats required. Finding schema mismatches and resolving them efficiently saves time. Compatibility hiccups. No problem, diagnostic logs are your best friend. Think of this as debugging your ETL workflow to prevent headaches down the line. The smoother the pipeline, the happier the data team. Best practices aren't just rules, they are survival tips for your data world. Version control prevents chaos, documentation helps future you understand past you, and automation keeps things error-free. Regular audits. Think of it as a health check for your data pipeline, because prevention is always better than the cure. Advanced configurations are like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. Your schema setup needs to keep up. Dynamic structures and parameterization bring flexibility, while optimization ensures high performance. Keeping your schema aligned with evolving standards means staying ahead of the game. No one likes outdated tech, and the same goes for your schema. Real-world schema applications are everywhere, from integrating data across systems to ensuring compliance. A well-structured schema keeps ETL processes smooth and analytics accurate. Think of it as the glue that holds your data ecosystem together. When done right, it's like a perfectly executed symphony. Let's wrap this up. Schema files aren't just documentation, they are the backbone of efficient data processes. Validation keeps errors at bay, troubleshooting makes life easier, and best practices keep everything under control. Advanced configurations future-proof your system. Embrace schema mastery, and your data management will thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.